Alright, so just to give you an idea of how deep it is, that's 15 inches. I just measured it. There are spots that are higher than this. But those plow piles, or whatever you want to call them, I'm going to go stand next to it. It's probably not even going to do it justice. But like, I'm on the sidewalk, which is probably like 6 inches high compared to it. But they're at least 4 feet high. Like, it's crazy. So that's where I shoveled to, because that's my property line. And then all the way over here, I haven't touched my driveway yet because it is insane. Like, I have nowhere to put any of the snow. And this is the end of my driveway. I shoveled a little path for the mail lady, but that's my driveway. You want to go outside, Bubby? Yeah? Come on. Alright, so this is outside in the back. They've kind of made walkways for themselves, but yeah, it's crazy. We've got neighbors shoveling off their roofs the best they can right now. I'm not worried about mine, obviously, but good boy. But yeah, they can barely walk out here, so it looks worse out front than it does back here. But Daisy, you can almost, like over there, she'd almost be swallowed. But hi, buddy. You like the snow? Huh? You liking the snow? Hi.